the topic that you've seen, it's all about Agile. It's about how Agile transformed the companies that we worked in. The thing is that between ourselves, specifically between my two guests today, there's almost half a century of Agile delivery, right? Which is better than just saying close to 40 years.
How do you move that to empowering, coaching, support, right? Another part is, I think it's important to stress that we're always constantly pushing for delivery. Like, you don't give them a safe space to experiment, to learn, to fail. So that, for me, is more like two parts that will help organizations. I truly challenge the fact that people say Agile is for Agile for different projects.
Because sometimes you come to a client, you discuss with the CTO, CEO of the company, and you understand that this is most probably is not going to map. So you understand what are the problems, you see that the culture is not appropriate. So that's why without have a right culture in place, you can put any process and process over process over process. It's not going to work because the culture is the basic of the thing.
It's not a cookbook, it's a philosophy in itself. The philosophy says we all together will figure out the best way for us to communicate and work to achieve the outcome. And the focus is on the outcome. Is that right?
Agile is just part of the puzzle. Ultimately, it is not like, I want to be in an Agile organization and that should be your ultimate goal. It should be, how do you hit the highest level of performance? How do you be business agility? How do you be flexible? That should be your ultimate goal to move into Agile.